Hey, missus. That's 1-0 up.
Ah. You've won it back.
Can't, she's making the wings awkward.
There's 2 then so far.
I'm gonna have a look at some of these eggs right working.
You little cuties. Give me my mother back.
There's pit little cracks there. She's turned upside down. Another one there pipped. That one's a fresh one. That one's pipped. The pipped but they're upside down.
She rolls them though, she's got to roll them every so often.
Oh, there's unlocked. Mm, 12 minutes left. The fresh one.
Oh.
You okay? Let me have a look at you stand up. You stood up fine. Let me try you to stand up. Yep, you're fine, you're strong. So 1, 2, 3, 4 pipped.
4 more.
4 more at least. Or was it that one?
Give her mummy a bit. Oh, she stood on its head.
I can't see.
She's fine now. She pinned it to the floor with her foot. No, it's so cute. You got it.
Yep. So that might be 6 then there then.
One of them was pecking at straw.
I made some poop or something it's found.
She.
Sorry, she. It's just a stab. It might, oh, I'll rip it a bit of grass up. Do you think you can make grass?